Chickens. Alex got owned. Chickens are gonna kill her in a minute.
Chickens attack.
Look at it go, it's like, shall I? Bonnie! This is the chicken's house. They have big house.
Chickens attack Elise.
Don't peck me, I hate it when they peck me. Dirty chickens. Yeah.
Bonnie, what are you doing? Come on, come on. I'll take a picture of mine.
I'm not taking a picture.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Been recording for ages.
Are we putting him in the house?
Not eat my feet.
Put them in the house, Harvey.
I don't know how.
Oh, India.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, in the house. In the house. In the house. In. Oh, in the house. In the house. In the house. You're in the house as well. Come on.
Up on the roof of the house. Right away, on the roof.
Come on. Right, you're on the wrong side of the door.
Abby is a failure.
Oh, God.
Get on the bright side. Don't open that one. That one is going to come out.
Come on, Jack. Come on. Come on.
Lock that one now. Lock your one in there. Reopen it. Reopen it now. Reopen it.
Open it, Abby, close it.
In.
Open
You,
it.
oi, in. In. No.
Oh, they want to come out.
I'll just put in that a bit longer.
No,
Don't chase me now, I've just locked you in.
It's in.
That one's going to get in now. Get that one in.
Come on.
Laura.
Come on. No, just did a poo. Ah!
Poop.
What?
I've just been standing there, just did a poo.
Nice one, chicken.
Right by my foot, I'm not putting it in now. No, Bonnie.
Congratulations, chicken. You nearly succeeded.
Congratulations, chicken. You got rid of the Abby.
Bonnie, you sheep him. Herd him in like a sheepdog.
Herd them in like a sheepdog.
Your chicken dog.
They're not sheep.
Bonnie's a chicken. Chicken dog.